Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to go ahead and finally try out the deep conditioner I got from Product Junkie Naturals. If you want to see what deep conditioner I'm talking about and see me try it on my hair, make sure you stay tuned, and also make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. Go ahead and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And let's go ahead and get into this. So what I'm going to be trying out is the Product Junkie Naturals Honey Hydration Honey plus Blue Malva Perfect Moisture Deep Conditioner. So directions, it says section hair into 4 sections. Apply conditioner to soaking wet hair from root to tip, being careful not to excessively apply to scalp. That is good to know. Smooth through hair to assist with detangling. Cover with a plastic cap or sit underneath a hooded dryer for up to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Okay, so this has, right on the label it says it has honey, malva, and marshmallow. Now, I didn't already know what malva was. As with all of Product Junkie Natural products, they're for all curl types. My hair is freshly washed. I actually just took it out of a protective style. Okay, so that's good to know. But it specifically tells you in the labeling not to excessively cover your scalp, because really deep conditioner is not for your scalp. What was for your scalp was whatever you wash your hair with. The deep conditioner is for your hair. We don't need to deep condition the scalp, we need to deep condition our hair, and my hair needs it. Like I said, I just got done washing my hair, so my hair has been underneath that and it ain't even been a good 10 minutes yet. So y'all, trust me, my hair is still wet, but it's looking like it's not. So okay, so I have warm water in this bottle because I am low porosity, but sometimes I wonder, is my porosity changing? Which it can be, and if you didn't already know, different portions of your hair can be different porosities. So I'm starting to wonder about my hair. Anyway, since it has been last known to be low porosity predominantly my entire head, I'm just going to go ahead and put this warm water on it. Okay, that's better than it was. I'm looking for assistance with detangling, and I'm looking for moisture. That's what I'm looking for. That's it. Nice and soft. To me, it looks like the color of pancake batter or waffle batter, whatever you're making, you know. Y'all, my hair really needs to be detangled, and thankfully this has lots of slip. But this is very slippery in the hands, and I need all the slip to go into my hair. Oh, there we go. Because my hair needs to be deep conditioned big time. starting to relax a little bit. Thanks to this deep conditioner, because y'all, it was shriveled up. Feels soft. Woo, thank you. Y'all don't even understand how my hair was feeling prior to putting this deep conditioner on it. Ooh, thank goodness. Seriously. Okay. Let me know in the comments if you feel overwhelming feeling of relief once you are done with your wash and conditioning. My hair is soft, y'all. It's back. It is back. It's been rejuvenated. All that missing moisture has been restored. So, do I like this product? Yes, I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on my wash day, sealing this moisture. Go ahead and, you know, if you made it to this point in the video, please go ahead and leave me a comment. Say hi, how you doing, if you like my hair. If there's anything else you want me to try, leave me a comment and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. The more you guys engage with me, the more, maybe some more people come to my channel. Let me go ahead and finish on up. I think next I'm either going to do a curl rod set or another protective style. I don't know. We'll see how it goes once I moisturize my hair. It was almost 7 o'clock in the evening, so it's a little late. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to let it, you know, stretch my hair out a little bit. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what I do next. So, other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.